Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson from bloggingbizonline.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to remove backgrounds on your photos. So just for instance, I've brought up on the YouTube here, you see John O. Armstrong's thumbnail here. How does he have his photo of himself looking like that? And how has he got it like that? So I found a free tool to use to do this, and you can do it in just 2 or 3 clicks of a button. Fantastic value. So folks, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and leave a comment in the box once you've watched the video. And if you haven't visited my blog yet, please do so, bloggingbizonline.com. There's a free offer on there, a free traffic offer. So bloggingbizonline.com to claim that traffic offer. So moving on to how to remove the backgrounds off your photos or anything else you may have. So I'm going to send you to a website called remove.bg. I'll leave the link underneath this video, and with that link I'll also throw in another free traffic offer. Okay, so look out for the drop down box on that link. So we'll send you to remove.bg. And it's quite simple. You'll just have to log in or sign up as normal process and activate the email, and then once you've done that you'll be coming to a page like this. So all you have to do, folks, this is absolutely amazing. It's I don't know why I didn't come across this before. So just click on that, find an image from your computer. So we'll pick that one of me. What a handsome chap. And that's what it looks like originally from my computer, and that's what it'll look like from the software. So all you click is download here. So I've downloaded that now onto my computer. I'll just double click that and it'll open up, and it's just gone out of picture, but there we have it. Simples.com. And it's all for free. So now you'll be able to make your YouTube thumbnails like John O. Armstrong's there, just for instance, or you can use it for many other features as well. But for internet marketers, I thought that was a very useful tool to share with you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you want some more freebies off me. And visit my bloggingbizonline.com. I'll leave a link underneath the video for remove.bg, Blogging Biz Online. And when you sign up for remove.bg, it is absolutely free, as I said. Look out for the little pop-up box or the drop-down box, and I'm going to put you another free traffic offer in there. So you can take me up on 2 traffic offers that are free, and also I've taught you how to remove the backgrounds off your photos. So for any more updates on anything else, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in that box, guys, and I'll be back soon with another awesome tutorial or another product review. Take care, stay safe everybody, have a fantastic day.